So good morning class. So in the last lecture we have done till question number 9. So today we will be starting with question number 10. I hope you all have completed till question number 9. Is that clear? Have you all completed? Isn't it? Now this question you can do it in your books. I'll explain you. So now first of all in this question we need to draw the directions. As I told you that if we will be drawing the directions then it is more easy for us to understand. So now coming on to our 10th question is that which point is in the southeast of P? This is P. Where is the southeast of P? Means diagonally. Over here is P. In the southeast is the T. So the correct option is T. 11th question. Which point is in the north of S? In the north of S means S के ऊपर. S यहाँ पे आ गया. S के ऊपर क्या है? That is V. Which point is in the west of U? U के west में कौन सा point है? यहाँ पे अगर U है, U के west में कौन सा point है बेटा? That is Q. Now question number 13. Which point is in the northeast of P? P के north east में कौन सा point है? Means अगर P यहाँ पे है तो उसके diagonally कौन सा point है? That is V. Understood? Correct these answers in your book only. Then I'll be doing question number 14. So now question number 14. Now what is question number 14 saying? That if P and Q interchanges their position, see, first of all, this is the diagram which is given in your book. Is that clear? This is the diagram which is given in your book. It is saying that if P and Q interchanges their position, means if P and Q will interchange their position, like P will come over here. P and Q have interchanged their position, and S and R interchanges their position. They have also interchanged the position. Fine. Then S and Q move diagonally and meet at the center of P. What is the center of P now? This is the center of P. What is the center of P? This is the center of P. So if S and Q means अगर S and Q यहाँ इस सेंटर पे मीट करेंगे, means P R and if ये यहाँ से Q यहाँ पे आ जाएगा and यहाँ से S, like सी ये है सेंटर P का. If S and Q will meet at the center, P का सेंटर क्या है बेटा? ये है P का सेंटर इस टाइम पे. This is the center of P. S and Q इसके सेंटर पे मिले हैं. So now we have to tell कि अगर वो डायगोनली मूव करके इस सेंटर पे मिले हैं, then what is then P is in dash of S. मतलब S से अगर देखेंगे तो P कौन से डायरेक्शन में है? लाइक अगर अभी S यहाँ पे है, S यहाँ पे है बीच में, तो यहाँ और एंड P यहाँ पे है, तो S से P कौन से डायरेक्शन में है? साउथ ईस्ट में. सो विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट? दी A1, दैट इज साउथ ईस्ट में है. Understood this question? Once again I'll explain you. This is the figure which is given in your book. The question is saying that if P and Q interchanges their position and if S and R interchanges their position, so we have to tell that if S and Q will move diagonally and meet at the center of P. ये है P का सेंटर और ये डायगोनली मूव करेंगे, दोनों P के सेंटर पे पहुंच गए लाइक दिस. तो फिर ये बताना है दैट S is in dash of P means S P के कौन से डायरेक्शन में है. तो यहाँ पे S है, यहाँ पे P है, तो ये कौन सा डायरेक्शन हुआ? दैट इज साउथ ईस्ट, बिकॉज साउथ और ईस्ट के बीच में, दैट मीन्स इट इज इन दी साउथ ईस्ट ऑफ P. Is that clear? You will be doing question number 14 in the book. Sorry, in the notebook. Do this in the notebook. Question 14 in notebook. Do it right now. Question number 15 is saying Karthik walked towards east, means he is walking towards east. This is Karthik over here, he is walking towards east. See, this is east, and after traveling some distance he takes a left turn. He will take a left turn. After traveling some distance he again turns to his left. Again he will turn to his left. Fine. Then in which direction he will be facing now? बेटा वो ईस्ट में गया पहले, देन उसने लेफ्ट टर्न लिया. लेफ्ट टर्न में थोड़ा चलने के बाद अगेन ही टुक अ लेफ्ट टर्न. सो वी हैव टू टेल विच डायरेक्शन ही इज फेसिंग नाउ. मीन्स अब उसका डायरेक्शन इस साइड हो गया. तो ये कौन सा डायरेक्शन होता है हमारा? विच डायरेक्शन इज दिस? दिस इज west. So he will be facing the west direction now. Means the C option is correct. Which option is correct? The C option is correct. Question number 15 in the book you can do. Now Preeti walked towards north. This question is also same as question number 15. You will be doing by yourself in the book only. Now Sohan is facing the library. If he turns left, he'll face the community center. He turns dash to his left. Means ये बताना है कि वो कितना लेफ्ट मूव हुआ है. I have told you this question while we were doing question number 1. डैट की 1/4 क्या होता है, हाफ क्या होता है, 3/4 क्या होता है. अगेन आई विल बी टेलिंग यू टुडे. see the figure first of all. See, Sohan is facing the library. If he turns to his left, means left ये हुआ, ये हमारा इधर लेफ्ट हैंड होता है, ये लेफ्ट हुआ. विच हैंड इज दिस? दिस इज दी लेफ्ट हैंड. अगर ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड उसने बेटा टर्न लिया, he'll move towards the left hand side and he'll face the community center. Means उसको इस लाइब्रेरी से ऐसे मूव करके जब वो यहाँ कम्युनिटी सेंटर तक आएगा तो ये बताना है कि डैट उसने कितना टर्न लिया है. सो हाउ यू विल बी डूइंग दिस क्वेश्चन? सी, ये लाइब्रेरी है, हाँ, ये कम्युनिटी सेंटर है, फाइन, ये स्कूल है एंड ये चर्च है. उसको लाइब्रेरी से कहाँ आना है? कम्युनिटी सेंटर पे आना है. सो दिस इज दी 1/4 टर्न. दिस इज 2/4 टर्न. दिस इज 3/4 टर्न. तो उसने कितने टर्न लिए? 3/4 टर्न लिए कम्युनिटी सेंटर रीच करने में. बिकॉज if he wants to reach the library, then it means कि see, एक फुल सर्कल, ये फुल सर्कल 4/4 का होता है. Is that clear? So from library, if he has to come to the community center, so this turn is of 1/4. This turn is of 2/4, and this turn is of 3/4. Means out of 4, he has taken 3 turns to reach the community center. Is that clear? You will do this question in the notebook. Question 7 in notebook. Then question number 18 to 20 is same as question number 10 to 13. You can do question number 18 to 20 in the book. 16, 17 in the that notebook. 18, 19 and 20 in the book you will be doing. Now again this question 21, you have to do it in the notebook. I have made you mark. I have given you in the assignment also even that question number 21 you will be doing in the notebook. You copy this question, then I will be doing question number 21 afterwards. We'll be doing question number 21 in the next lecture. Fine. Thank you.